Hello viewers, this is Revati Dandabani from Astro Arichodi. If you are watching my channel for the first time, you please subscribe and press the bell button to get my videos immediately.
Dear Aries zodiac sign, Aries ascendants, Ashwini, Bharani, Kritige, First Padam star viewers, your zodiac sign lord and 8th house lord Mars in the 12th house will make you spend more. Fund flow will be enormous. Fund flow will be through foreign exchange. You cannot avoid extensive travel. Ascendant node dragon, Rahu in the second house will make family life harmonious, fund flow flawless as Rahu is aspected over by Jupiter. Third and sixth house Lord Mercury in the 8th house Scorpio will make delays in your efforts. There may be some ailments in your health. Avoid court cases and controversies. Younger siblings may not cooperate. Month begins with 4th house moon in the second house. 5th house Lord Sun in the 8th house in the first half of the month. So, there may be delays in finalizing the government projects. Politicians have to avoid court cases and controversies. In the second half of the month, when Sun moves to Sagittarius, 9th house, situation may change. Politicians will be benefited and their services will be recognized. You may get the help and support from your father. 2nd and 7th house Lord Venus in the 7th house Libra ruling will make family life harmonious. Spouse relationship will be good and intimate. As your zodiac sign is aspected over by Venus, will make you luxurious and you may buy gold ornaments. Friends and business partners will cooperate. 8th house Dragon Ketu will make you confused and restless. Religious and spiritual involvement, yoga and meditation will make your mind peaceful. 9th and 12th house Lord Jupiter joins ruling Saturn in Capricorn. Jupiter aspects over Taurus, 2nd house, Cancer 4th house, Virgo 6th house, make family life harmonious. Education side will be very good and bright. Your occasion will attract everyone. But as it is aspected over by Saturn and Rahu is placed there, avoid heated arguments. There may be markable improvements in mother's health. Chances for purchase of house, land, vehicles are bright. 9th house Jupiter and 10th house Saturn combination is favorable. Finally, success is yours. Trade, business and career will flourish. Your hard work will be recognized in the workplace and will be appreciated by the superiors. Saturn aspects over 12th house Pisces, 4th house Cancer, 7th house Libra. You cannot avoid tiresome travels and unnecessary expenses. Be careful in registration of documents of houses, lands and vehicles and must be careful with business partners and friends. Don't let third party interference in spouse relationship. Avoid anger and keep silence as your sign lord is aspected over by Saturn. Moon moves to 8th house on December 13th and 14th. Avoid new ventures, travels and controversies. Be careful while driving vehicle. There is no problem in doing daily routines. Based on moon's status and transit, favorable dates are 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th and 31st. Overall, financial flow will be flawless. Children welfare will be good. Family will be harmonious. Spouse relationship will be intimate. Women and artist welfare is bright. Politicians will be benefited in the second half of the month. Parents' health will be good. Except your self-health. On the whole, December month is good overall. Praying to Lord Murugan will be beneficial to Aries. If your ascendant falls in this sign itself, predictions given may be adopted. If your ascendant is different, go in for the prediction of the sign where your ascendant falls. Based on your birth chart, Dasa Bhukti, predictions may vary. It is a general prediction based on Tirukanitam Panjangam. Planetary status for December 2020 are December 10th, Venus moves to Scorpio. December 15th, Sun moves to Sagittarius. December 17th, Mercury transits to Sagittarius. December 23rd, Mars moves to Aries.